Hello, welcome to Introduction to Physics. My name is Sister Kristen Miller, and I'm excited to be your instructor for this course. I'd like to begin by telling you a little bit about me. I graduated from BYU with a degree in physics, and I did my graduate studies at the University of Maryland. My graduate work focused on studying the way that magnetic fields influence star formation. I love to learn about this beautiful world that we live in. It strengthens my testimony of God and of how much He loves us. I am the mother of 4 beautiful children. Our little family is pictured here. I know how hard it can be to balance school, work, and family. I want you to know that that balance is possible, though, and it can be a very rewarding experience. I give you my promise that I am here to help you to find that balance and to help you in this class and to support you every step of the way. I am a returned missionary. I served in Argentina. It was one of the best experiences of my life, and it showed me how much I love teaching. I have 15 years of online teaching experience, teaching physics and astronomy classes just like this one. I'm excited to be your instructor in this course. Introduction to Physics is one of my favorite classes to teach. In this class, we study the world itself, God's amazing creation, and His gift to us, His children. We'll learn about motion, light, waves, forces, and many other topics. We'll find answers to questions you may have had about the world. Questions such as, how do rainbows form? What makes ocean waves? When a tree falls in the forest, does it make a sound? Why is the sky blue? And many more. My teaching philosophy is that we learn by both studying and by exercising faith. When I was young, I made a promise to my Father in heaven that I would keep the Sabbath day holy by not studying on Sunday. It was a very difficult promise to keep. It meant that I frequently missed activities that were on Fridays and Saturdays in order to complete my classes. It meant that I was excluded from study groups that took place on Sundays. And it meant that I very frequently got up very early Monday morning in order to complete coursework. However, the blessings far outweighed the sacrifices. The Lord was with me every step of the way, helping me to understand and to do my best on exams and in my classes. With His help and with the Spirit, I was able to gain a deep understanding of the material in every class that I took, and I was able to be successful in my studies. I promise you that if you will put the Lord first in your life, and if you will seek to learn by both studying and by exercising faith, you will be successful in this class, at BYU Idaho, and in life. I hope that you will enjoy learning about our amazing world. Welcome to Introduction to Physics.